torchlight here, and we are back at the Sunchoke bed. This is literally a second bucket that I pulled out of this same area. Let me get y'all a better look. Mind you, I had Sunchokes all through here, but I've only gotten basically half the bed. When I tell you, there's still Sunchokes just hiding, just chilling in here. I'm afraid to say, y'all, that this bed will never, ever not have Sunchokes in it. They are that pervasive. So, we can call these J artichokes. That's another name for them. But needless to say, these are beautiful. They basically age for 6 months or more. What's that, a bug? What's that? Okay. And they're in better condition than when I first got them up in here. And when I tell you that this is at least a 25 to 50 pound bucket, I'm not lying. So 2 things. If you ever want to never not have food, Sunchokes. If you want to get rid of a bed and never be able to use it for anything again, Sunchokes. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna get as many of these out as I can. And I'm gonna either use some, you know, I'm still thinking about whether I should go ahead and sell them. Because if you buy them once, you never gotta buy them again, I tell you that. Or should I just dump it in that bed over there? I don't know, y'all. Needless to say, well, have you ever had a productive, non-productive day? Boys like, oh. Oh, and by the way, y'all, not quite out yet. Look at the soil. That is one benefit. It will fix your soil, y'all. Now, anybody that knows my previous videos, this was basically dirt. This is basically West Virginia dirt. But this is now soil, y'all. So that's the one benefit. And hope y'all like the new intro. But yeah, now I'm out. Okay, last time, y'all, last time. But look, I just found this. What are those, y'all? Those are Brussels sprouts. Bad part about it is, those are too, and they are dried out. If it wasn't for me not paying attention to this, I could have had that many more Brussels sprouts, y'all. But I still got some. Now I'm about to stake this up. We're gonna keep the party going. All right, that's it for me. I'm out.